Yo, today we transform from a normal smile to a younger and brighter smile. We have a senior gentleman looking to bring back that nice bright smile. He is looking to close the gaps between his teeth and bring the front side tooth on the right hand side more forwards to achieve better symmetry. We performed a smile design, smile preview satisfying his requests. Our patient was happy and gave me informed consent to deliver veneers. We delivered 8 porcelain, glass, ceramic veneers in total, closing the gaps between the teeth and achieving better alignment for the right hand side, front side tooth. Here we can see that the upper front teeth, appear better aligned in the upper arch curvature after the veneers. Most importantly, we have a happy patient, our senior gentleman with a younger and brighter smile. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my patient. Please like, subscribe and follow. Smile Makeover Volume 40 with Dr. Richard.